Welcome back to the Tutorial Hub, where learning meets simplicity. Here, every tutorial is designed to make complicated things feel easy. Whether you want to master new skills, unlock powerful tools, or just level up your creativity, you're in the right place. So here's a question for you. What if one small tech trick could do more than just save you time? What if it could change everything you thought you knew about your own computer? It all started with Mark, a graphic designer who spent countless hours on his computer, always searching for the same apps: Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. One morning, he stumbled upon a video just like this one. It showed a simple Windows shortcut. Right-click your most used app and pin it to your start menu. It sounded basic, almost too simple to be useful. But Mark gave it a try. Within seconds, he could open every program he needed with a single click. No more searching, no more wasted seconds. Everything just worked faster. Over the next few days, however, he noticed something strange. Each time he opened his computer, the pinned icons seemed to rearrange themselves slightly. Word would appear before Excel, then Excel would switch places with PowerPoint. Then, one night, an unfamiliar app appeared, one he had never downloaded. It was named the Hub. Curious, Mark clicked it. His screen flashed, and instead of opening a program, it showed his face on the webcam, frozen, as text appeared on the screen. "We have been watching how you learn." The message vanished instantly, and his desktop returned to normal. Every single pinned icon was gone. The next morning, Mark's coworkers noticed he hadn't been online since that night. But here's the real twist. When one of them checked his desktop, the icons had reappeared. And one of them was a new shortcut titled Your Turn. Sometimes, the simplest tricks hide the most unexpected consequences. So, what do you think? Was it just a glitch or something bigger? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the next mystery tutorial from the Tutorial Hub, where learning meets simplicity, and maybe something more.